What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bryan and today I have a new dance tutorial for you. They are so busy doing their own things. Alright, the title of the song today is, the song is B.I.D by Tory Lanez. Alright, this is again a requested song by Rainer. Okay, again Rainer, this is for you. Alright, let's start. Yeah, we're gonna move back a little bit because we're gonna move forward. This is breaking down. So you're gonna front, scoop. 1, 2. This is 2 count 7. And let's do it a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then pull yourself. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, 2 8s, 2 8s. One more time. I got timing this time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Slowly scoop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So make sure you don't use your hand here. 8, 1, 2, stay. 1, 2, stay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. For the last time. Faster. 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next. Alright, good. For this one, all the steps continuously 1, 8 straight, non-stop. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4. So for this one, your shoulder, left shoulder, in to the front, in. Then every time you hit it in the front, your right is going up. So 3, 4. Then scoop. 5, 6. Copy. 7. Jump on 8. Drop on 1. One more time. From here, 7, 8. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, jump, 1. Good job. Let's combine 2 8s, then this one. So 3 8s. So 5, 6 from the beginning. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next. So 8. This is just for this one. 2 counts. 2 counts. 1, 2. Change to the other side. 3, 4. Then scoop. 5. So this one is soon. You can see it goes like that. You wiggle your pepper. So this is 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7. Hit on 8. So 5, 6 in place. On the second one, move. 7, 8. Good job. So let's try. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's continue. So you're gonna go open. 1, 2, 3. Down on 4. That's simple. Then we're gonna go swag. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, they call it South Dallas swag. I don't know why. We originated there. 6, 7, and then 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, then 1, 2, 3, 4. South Dallas swag. 8. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's continue because that one is simple. You're gonna point like that, then your right to your chest. 6, 5, 6, and 7, and step back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't put it down on 4. 4. Next, you make circle 5, drop, change your weight 6, then set, bend, punch yourself on 8. Good job. Let's try from Lexi. 6, 7, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. South. 6, 7. Excited? 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle. 6, 7, 8. Good job. Let's try all from the beginning. I will still have. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hit 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boogie 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. South. Then a strut to the back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next. Oh, 6, 7. I know. 6, 7. Alright, next. This one's simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so this one, 2 counts. And this one single. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Put your hand on your cup if you have a cup in your home. If not, just put like that. Hold your balance. 6, 3, 4. Hit on 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one, when you put it up, your hand go down. 8, stay 1, not on 2. One more time. So from here, side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Let's continue. 8, 1, 2. Kill 3 and drop on 4. Almost 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 2 counts, 2 counts. Okay, from here let's go on. Let's finish. And last 2, 3. Ad lib. 5, 6. You know me? Yes. That's all the choreography. But first, let's clarify the here, the punch, the here. So that's my English now. I used to speak English very well when I was in the Philippines. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit on 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, that's 2 counts. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit on 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Yes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, and finish. Alright? You understand? Let's try from the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hit and slowly. 2, 3, 4. My voice is going low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hop, step, hit, bend your back. 1, 2, 3, slowly. 5, 6, hop. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes! Good job, guys! Merry Christmas! Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment on our video. Alright? See you next time. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas.
Bye.